Imagine the aroma of slow-cooked beef, that deep, savory broth, the tender meat and vegetables, and knowing it's completely AIP friendly. Let me show you how in this tutorial how to build an umami-packed beef soup, a healing powerhouse in a bowl using only the simplest ingredients. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace. Let's get ready to make our AIP beef soup. First is to render the beef fat. Let's fill the pot with filtered water halfway. Add about 4 pounds of beef short ribs. Distribute an ample amount of crushed fresh ginger all over the pot as an aromatic. Sprinkle enough salt. In this case, I am using the Himalayan pink salt. Slightly cover the pot. Turn the heat on into medium. Let us leave the heat to build up to boiling for about 45 minutes to an hour. Checking once in a while, making sure it is not overflowing. Turn the heat off, and we allow this to cool down to room temperature. It may take to about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the weather. Then, we transfer the pot into the refrigerator for the fat to solidify for at least 4 hours. Meanwhile, we can prepare and slice the rest of the ingredients. Cutting up a stalk of lemongrass into 1 inch or 2 in length. Crush it so the aroma and oil is easily released into the broth, which will enhance the overall flavor of this soup. And more crushed fresh ginger. We slice our carrots unevenly like this. And we slice a medium-sized shallot. 2 to 3 pieces of cabbage leaves cut up into manageable bite sizes like this. After 4 to 6 hours, our solidified fat is now ready to be removed. This is now what we call beef tallow that you can use as oil for cooking or skin moisturizer. I will show you how in our future tutorial how to whip tallow for body and face use, as we are also recommended to use cleaner skincare products while in the autoimmune protocol, and tallow is one of them. When all of the tallow has been removed, to finish cooking this dish, we will add more filtered water into our pot, enough that it won't overflow. Turn on the heat to medium-low. While the soup is warming up, we add the crushed lemongrass stalk, a few dashes of salt, a few dashes of granulated garlic, and we remove the old ginger during the rendering process. Add the freshly crushed ginger, few dashes of the onion powder. Turn the ribs to allow the aromatics to mix well into the soup. Let this simmer for another hour. Turn the heat to low and add the sliced carrots and sliced scallions. Pour a teaspoon of the fish sauce. Turn the ribs. Cover for 2 minutes and then we add the sliced cabbage. Cover and turn off the heat.
Serve and garnish with thinly sliced scallions.
This AIP beef soup is a comforting and nourishing dish packed with flavor, made with simple, whole food ingredients like beef short ribs and hearty vegetables. It is easy to prepare and bursting with umami goodness. You will definitely find this rich depth of flavor satisfying that comes from simmering the soup slowly, allowing the ingredients to meld together and create a truly nourishing dish.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you make a delicious AIP beef soup. Simple, nourishing, and comforting for our healing journey. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with someone who could benefit. And if you're ready to try, let me know how it goes down in the comments below. Until next time, be healed and be blessed. Annyeong!